Welcome to this tutorial, where I'll guide you through setting bedtime reminders in the Calm app. If you want to improve your sleep routine by getting gentle reminders to go to bed on time, this video will help you set it up quickly and easily on your phone. First, open the Calm app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon to open your account page. Then, in the top left corner, tap on the settings icon. This will open the settings menu where you can adjust various features of the app. Then, scroll down through the settings options until you find the notifications section. Tap on Notifications to open the notification settings. Inside Notifications, you will see the option for Bedtime Reminders. Click on Bedtime Reminders to continue. After that, tap on the time setting to choose the hour you want to receive your bedtime reminder. A clock will appear, allowing you to select your preferred time. Once you select the time, tap OK to confirm. Choose the days of the week you want these reminders to be active. By default, all days are selected, but you can uncheck any days if you prefer not to get reminders on those days. Make sure that the Get Reminder option is turned on to enable the notifications. Finally, after setting the time and days, tap on Set Reminder to save your preferences. You can now rely on Calm to send you gentle notifications, reminding you when it's time to prepare for bed.